Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Cinch Cam Band. So this is a pretty traditional cam band for your cylinder. If your old one on your BCD is broken or sort of worn down, you can replace it with this. It's a very traditional 2-inch webbing. You've got that sort of plastic cam band that with the 3 slots, you thread it through. You've got a nice bit of Velcro sort of running around it. This one, it kind of reaches the buckle a little too early, but that's just because I fitted it on a bare cylinder. If it's got to go through a back plate or a BCD, then that should sort of take up a bit of that slack. Thread it through just as normal. It's pretty sort of neat and tidy. It's not too long like some of the sort of plastic cam bands. Grab hold of that, do it down, and then you've got a decent section of Velcro on that and a nice little tab that's going to seal against that, and that just stops it from sort of flapping around during the dive. So it's a decent sort of cheap way of sort of replacing a cam band. If you're diving on sort of stage cylinders, maybe if you want to fit a bolt snap onto it as well, that way it's kind of a quick release cam band to attach to the base of your stage cylinder. That's definitely a sort of a temporary quick on and off option. It's just a very simple 2-inch sort of webbing cam band. This is the Scubapro Cinch Cam Band. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.